Everybody say, say, how can I express my gratitude for all the many things you've done for me? Words are not enough, enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are my everything. You're my everything. How can I express my gratitude? How can I express my gratitude for all the many things Father, you done for me, yeah. Words are not enough to say thank you. So Lord, you are, you're my everything. See, I call you Jireh. Lord, my provider. I call you Nisi. You are my battle. I call you Rapha. Hey. You are my healer. Say, Lord, you are.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884.
In this world, there is one thing that is certain: we shall all die. But when we are gone, how are our wishes executed? You need to have a will. Do you have a valid will? The ABC of a valid will, why you must make a will, is the topic for discussion on our regular and weekly legal education program on BW Radio and BW TV. Do you know that if you do not leave a valid will, your family may miss out on your estate? Under the rules of intestacy, your long-term partner does not inherit your estate if you are married. If you fail to update your will, some of your estate may fall into intestacy. Then you also must know that a will must be valid before its terms can apply. You need to be a part of the discussion as we invite you to join our legal education program this Friday, 24th March 2023 at 9:30 a.m. Ladies and gentlemen, join our host, Naa Manye Ten, and our guest, Bennard Owusu, senior partner at BWF Solicitors, for this discussion. Call us live on the program 0044 7399 208 468 or 0044 208 123 1016. WhatsApp 0044 7950 422 780. Remember, we live on BW Radio and BW TV, as well as BWF Solicitors on all social media platforms. BWF Solicitors, your trusted partner when it comes to all legal matters.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the location in which you are. And then so Uniado for Madam was say adominante yenya nkwa yenya ahoden na edwumedi a efiada bia ye de ba ma kwan enen so ahoden na ba ma ye de bremu megide se obi biara otie mi bia ewo apomu yi papa papa ye bedo twede ampo ase. It's another Friday, another education that we always bring to your end. Anope me visit obi efie na edwumedie me de bremo we be see whether you like it or not me de ma because ehu hia nkasa eye me de ye me ahosepe say me di dwumedie hu chia me na ene menya yen resource person ope mu na nkasa okukuku na nkasa na onbe kyerɛkyerɛ yen nyoma kakra ewo yen topic a me yi ne ho adi akyerɛ mo very soon. Yɛka BWF Solicitors a ɛna na ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ lawyer for kentinka papa bi a ɔmo dam ɔmo nko adeɛ we wɛ sie yɛte ɔmo so a ne yɛasɔre ɔmo na yɛatwe ɔmo aba anɔpɛ na yɛne ɔmo bɛdi nkitaho na sɛ wohwehwɛ ɔmo akyi a kwan yɛnwie program no na biribi kyerɛ w'adwen anaasɛ woanya wowɔ problem bi anaa biribiara ɛfa immigration ho biribiara ɛfa family law ho biribiara ɛfa litigations ne mitigations ho anaasɛ mpo yen kromo Ghanaian law no bomodia na fako mo BWF Solicitors aso eye wo fourth floor ana house na ohwehwe sa ana house na e wo 214 to 218 Tottenham High Road ne so e wo Seven Sisters na se mbia o drive na se ohwehwe postcode na wo de locate you very easily and e se eye N154NP ni sense subium N154NP anampo fasana mesi tu kotokodwum megide sɛ enye ne na behia wa onua bi wadamfo bi wodofo bi baabi obehia lawyers idioma asem de ama omo nti fana mesi na fama omo eye office line ye 0208493740 anampo ahokyera bananse obehu ana ye ka ne se hitro gatwick ne egina ye se wo lawyer na se ope lawyer bi sa na omo ye ho ade papa Bomodian for emergency number 077127618884. Bibi Triwadria from Nombedi Aboao. And then so many aje na edwumedi e ba beye. Obepa daje na wetie ye. Media ni manye na ate na ofre manye ti dia na we kume. Metwa me ho sema pacho enko bebia. Na mum share the program na obi nso en benefit. Me basisia.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws. There are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner, with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community, is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London, N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.
I welcome you all back to the program. Odiando from me, Sama Munina Akwaba Eba Edwumedi Ayedi. Eya na abrabo obia ewo abrabo a obo yeni nso yenim se abrabo no obo ne sen ara ebidu baabi untumi entoa so biom ene se na ekwa akoba no owu owo nso eka ye ho na ye bo owo de mpe na obia yam hyehye no obia kumetu yade ba ko a eka ye ho a oba onkra kakra bi pe na ya na okra omo na obede hu se wo obekra wo anase me na okra me anase onkra enti no se ye wo ho a eya na ye bo ye ho ban esan se ye nim da saa papa yi a ye friend owu yi obeba ya kwan enti ne se na etie bia no ye siesie ye chi na eba ne mpofie mu a enkoye asefem anase enkoye asem a eha adwen enisen embia na abrabo no wabɔ ne yie wombɔ ne yie mpo a enye nasem wabɔ ne yie wagigeja waye ye nneoma senia etie efata na eye fe wetumi embia wesidan embia wo nneoma ye friend say ejapade na chese bibia wabɔ abrabo no na wonsa anso enya na seba ne pofri mu na saa dombere men owu befa wo kwa saa dekodi a wode wo sweat wo bo abrabo edinya to ho no wan na woja ama no na eba ne saa na aye bibia wo ho ebi mo de abusua ntokwa si ebi mo de ye kunkun nipa kra e wo ho na se wo siesie wechi ye di a eya na eboa enti ene ye beka bibi enye ehu ye bo will pa na obi nim say will de me ye me will ato na ye ba be kumi da bi o da bi enti sa ye be hwe will na ya to ni den say the ABC of the valid will obi wo ho a obetro will na de ban kronim kwan ye fa so a ye de tro no na hwan mpo no de beja no hwan na be hwe sa will ne so ama no na se asem bi si a hwan na ekobisa ne se asemesi kra wo ye will ana sa no me nyina ene ye ba be di ho dwuma menya me resource person senior partner ewo BWF Solicitors for senior partner ya ye papa Uncle Ben ye nyina obia frɛ no Uncle Ben Mr. Lawyer me the doctor kra ka ho lawyer Bennard Owusu pacho mema wakwaba ebedwumedie mema ho kwan na ya ikufo na hwefo na afede ye de yenkomodie no ato aso
Manyeti, medawasi bebre, yesu ye chiao. I hope sir, anope, nyamiada Roma, ohoye, one wabusiafo. Ye chia, wana wabeka ya hunyina, ona waba Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, and other social media handles. No. Ya damase se anope, wabeka ya hu. Chia kesi no ko, ema chwedi amponya, upon, sa anope, waitimi, ama ya huodin, na ya sorry see any union everything kita ho tiene no you know a topic manyeti a topic every time bia you raise no which means a bibi poso ye in office ho anything you raise way na you know it's very disheartening cases are dealing with Wales name and where wom cry law ninti no where no nya adwuma no cases bebre nti I hope say no abusuafoɔ mo betimi afrɛ mu nuanom madɔfo na ɔmo abɛka yɛn ho na yɛn nyinaa yɛtie will yɛ no nyɛ kyerɛ sɛ wasan warrant sɛ you know nyame mbɛfa wo nkɔ ɛnyɛ saa na ɛteɛ na sɛbio biribiara no wɔyɛ a ɔboaboa wo ho si hɔ na kyerɛ sɛ daakye biara no woni hɔ a wɔkyi asɛm no ankɔyɛ biribi a sɛbio ebi koraa obi a ɔyɛ wo tamfo koraa sɛbio sɛbe na wabɛfa w'agyapade ɛyɛ possible nti yɛbɛma mo scenarios no nyinaa na yɛakyerɛ mo the ABC of a valid will step by step a wobɛtumi ayɛ ɛnyɛ biribi a ɛyɛ very expensive.
Yo, Uncle Ben, me da see ye. It's here for Sunny, ye no, Mestre mo se bo baswa, mo bo mo de an share. Na ye nua mo amaba platforms ne so Facebook ne YouTube ne nyina me mamo nyina akwa aba me de nchia kese mamo adamu nonku na nakofi me chiechia mo nyina amaba so nyina teleduma na agima me de nchia kese mamo eni k mo nyina me chiechia na me gide se be biara mo wo kra ya na mo wiewia mo ho kakra ehye se o edwuma mu ana o hwe enti no saa na mo ye na mo mbɔ mo de ana mo nhye enso emma yen yo ye ba be ka will na masam kitwe bi a mewo ansa na mebisa anka Bernard kra say dien kra ne will no nanse mu a penin bi efri mu pofi na penin no obi enim ne din mia obi bese mia me uncle na baby oye adwuma no adwuma kyese abrabo no waboye na nenim de nyina chi a eye yen wanwa se na wanya will ne yire no miensa papa iko yeka japade plain kra obi sisi a aye mansotwe ewegusua ne mu na ye tena ho ne ye ka se na papa nenim de ne dwuma yi adan krofo wo ne ho nyina nto ne fo se ombo modia no nye onsisi nechi eye wanwa se wa ye mpo ne enim bebie wo so wo lawyer chese obi enim adane mansotwe sisi a busumi ne yakoi ye bedwe yie no ho ne yedwe japade e beche na se nka se wo ho de a se ne sahama nsotwe emba nti na Uncle Bernard eye me de bebre se ye de sa topic aba medical abisa se ye can will thy will be done. I have my will. I will do this. Will dear ye mo asroto embia kra obi kra the will ni din the will na ye ka will valid will la will ben ye ka na edien na kire na de nkra ne sa will no pacho adaroma na chichi mu
Yo, Manyeti, first of all, me cannot brofo na ma chire mu aba akan kasem. Say a kase wela in English, nipa say will is a testamentary disposition.
okay
Brofo ne mu edu.
papa
Testamentary disposition no, what it means is obi ade na ni susui ne pe ni susui ne desire or the egu paper so ama saa paper no ɛno na yɛbɛkyerɛ sɛ saa nipa no nyame frɛ no a adeɛ a ɔpɛ sɛ ɛsi ɛwɔ n'akyi ɛno no. So a will is a testamentary disposition made by a person who is 18 or above, although there are exceptions. If you are in the military, you can prepare a will if you're below 18. So it's a testamentary disposition by a person for the distribution and actions to be taken once he dies. So the will takes effect after the death of the person. Into will na sichira ne sɛ I see my name else asma. Will na sichira nyina obi a ɔte ase a ɔwɔ tumi a wadi mfie aduowɔtwe ne n'akyi. Wasisi ne tirimupɔ bi agu krataa so. Sɛ daakye biara nyame to ne nsa frɛ no a n'akyi asɛm no saa krataa no na ɛnka ɛma no ne yɛnhwɛ so. Enti ayɛ sɛ manual bi a obi agya ato hɔ ɛfa n'agyapadeɛ ne mma ɛna nneɛma a ɔpɛ sɛ ɛsi n'akyi. Ɛno ne yɛfrɛ no will no. Na will no ansa na wobɛyɛ will no na ɛwɔ sɛ woyɛ obi a wadi mfie aduowɔtwe 18 years ɛde kɔ. Saa nipa yi a wadi mfie aduowɔtwe de kɔ no ɛwɔ sɛ wowɔ mental capacity na kyerɛ sɛ sɛbio wonyare woni mental health problems biara. Ɛwɔ sɛ saa nipa yi ɔyɛ n'adeɛ a watwerɛ gu krataa no so no. Ɔno a ɛpɛ nkurɔfoɔ mmienu na susua a wasusu ɔde egu ne tirim a watwerɛ gu krataa so no. Saa nkurɔfoɔ mmienu yi a yɛfrɛ ɔmo witnesses no. Ɔsan ɛwɔ ɔmo anim. Ɔsan wɔ ɔmo anim a na ɔmo so ɔmo asan sɛ ampa asemasi ɛsan saa ade ɛwɔ yɛn anim. Na yɛhu sɛ wasan na ɔmo so ɔmo asan. Na wosan wie a na kyerɛ sɛ tirimupɔ no a wabɔ sɛ daakye biara no nyame to nsa frɛ wo a deɛ wopɛ sɛ ɛsi w'akyi no nhyehyɛ ɛfa wo mma ho sɛ wo mma yɛ nkɔlaa a wɔn a nhwɛ wɔn nhyehyɛ ɛmfa wo sikasɛm ho nhyehyɛ ɛmfa w'agyapadeɛ agyapadeɛ bɛtumi ayɛ biribi a ɛfa no intellectual property ebi a watwerɛ book bi anaa wayɛ invention na nsɛ mɛhu sɛ Ghanafoɔ ɔmoyɛ nku ne sradeɛ ne recipes bebree wowu a dɛn na saa intellectual property no dɛn ana ɛmmra wo ntaareɛ wo sika wo kaa wo fie wafuo w'asase dɛn na ɛnsi now wayɛ saa de na wie no ɛwɔ sɛ woyɛ sure sɛ will no wode ato baabi a sɛbe wonni hɔ a obi bɛtumi akɔfa na wɔn a ɛfa wɔn ho no wabɔ ɔmo amanneɛ mema mo statistics bi UK ɔmo twerɛ will no ɔmo yɛ less than 40% nti over 60% of potential will writers anaa adults ɛntwerɛ will ɛwɔ UK over 60%. Sɛ wohwɛ saa de no na wohwɛ sɛ over 60% of adults wɔ UK ɛnyɛ will a na wode compare sɛ woyɛ obi na wuwu na wonyɛ will a aban no nhyehyɛeɛ a ɛwɔ hɔ no ɛno na ɔde kyɛ w'agyapadeɛ a na kyerɛ sɛ over 60% of yɛn a yɛwɔ kurom ha no sɛ yɛwu a aban nhyehyɛeɛ na ɛbɛkyɛ yɛ agyapadeɛ na deɛ yɛ frightening ne sɛ woyɛ obi a woni obi te na monware bɛrima ne ɔbaa ne bɛrima mote na monware ya na mowɔ mma a na krakyi ana abayewa yi na wabɔ ne ho mmɔden wapɛ agyapadeɛ gu hɔ na ɔnyɛ will na owu a dɛn ne bɛsi statistics ɛwɔ UK as at 2021 sɛ half of nkɔlaa a yɛawo mo wɔ UK nyinaa half ɛfi abusua a maame no ne papa no ɛnware half of the children maame ne papa no ɔmo nware half of the children a yɛawo mo wɔ UK no maame no papa no ɛnware now that is how frightening the statistics in it. In relation to Ghana, the estimate is over 85% of adults enter on will. Enti se wu ewo Ghana na wanye will a aban nhyehyɛ a yɛfrɛ no PNDC law 111 ɛno ana bɛkyɛ wɔ japadeɛ. Na nhyehyɛ mmienu na mabɔ so no ne nyinaa ne yɛfrɛ no intestate succession law. Anaasɛ obi wu no anyɛ will a yɛsɛ owu intestate. Na kyerɛ sɛ wamfa ne pɛ ne susui ne tirim pɔ ɛne adeɛ ɔpɛ sɛ owu a esi n'akyi no wamfa ngu krataa so. Na kyerɛ sɛ adeɛ a ɔgya ma agya busuafoɔ no ebi yɛ ka ebi yɛ atete ebi yɛ ntɔkwa. Deɛ nti a mɛka sɛ ebi yɛ ka no cases a mema yɛ nyinaa ɛyɛ interstate no. First of all no ɛwɔ sɛ yɛkɔhwehwɛ properties no. 2 properties na yɛhu no koraa no wɔn mo na ɛte hɔ yɛnni information biara of ɔmo to asɛm a meka yɛ real me deal with case baako maame na wu bɛyɛ 2 years ne tenants ɛwɔ fie hɔ no yɛnnim ɔmo yɛnnim rent a ɔmo tua nti woka se koraa na woyɛ eviction a wonim ɔmo din nti woyɛ no blank eviction. It comes with all sorts of difficulties. Anything you pese yɛkyerɛ no. Enti first of all no, then ade a wɔsɛ wɔ consider. Sɛ wobɛyɛ will a, dwen ho sɛ den na mewɔ ɛwɔ m'abrabɔ mu anaa den na menya no daakye. Wowɔ bank account. Ebi koraa wowɔ fie, wowɔ leasehold, wowɔ business, wowɔ intellectual property, wɔ create biribi, wɔ invent biribi, wɔatwerɛ article bi. Watchro book ana sɛ wowɔ nkɔla nketenkete sɛ wowɔ UK a wopɛ sɛ wode to so sɛ na wowu a yɛnkora wo sɛ yɛnsie wo anaa yɛnhyew a yɛfrɛ no cremation ebiom o nneɛma a sɛbi adwuma de bɛgya wo ne saa nneɛma no dɛn yɛnyɛ wo saa de wei nyinaa no sɛ wobɛyɛ a aban no under your Wills Act of 1837 and I said Ghana's Wills Act of 1971 was it has to be in writing. Enti wuntimi record ngu audio so case bi ameye papa panimu bi owa ha owui na ne ma no one ma be enan ne woe ne ma no pani bi owo mu no ose ne papa no wa ne will no yeah no osan ye bibi gu video so wu a yensie no ha and so will no atwere wom so wu a yemfa no nko Kumase because o ye dehye enti na chese busuafo no boka na lawyers abem na yatete niema ni ansa na obia tene ho ase. Those are the difficulties and into me person obia ehu. The other part na e was mu hu no se wo Ghana na wo ye wo will why ye wo will na ya sign no wa appoint executors sans na wo UK wa appoint executors. Advice is to appoint a minimum of 2 executors. Executors na dwuma on be ne say atsem to a omo ebe gina ho na omo akọ court akọji tumi akọji krata ebe kire omo ade a wo se omo ye na o we ono niam a watwere wo mu no na omo be gina so na omo de acheche mesra opa se obi eye beneficiary ewo will ma beneficiary ye obi a sabio wo a wo ye testator no wo de ade a wo de che no nti nipa no ye beneficiary se nipa no ontimi nye witness so wo ye no witness na che se gift na wo de ma no in the will no ebe fairly that particular gift no nko ebe fairly ade a me pese obi a hye no nso no se wo twere will ene na wo ware next year o will no revoked automatically. Se wo ware ene na wo twere will ene sorry wo ware ene na bi a wa twere o will dada ene na wo ware no bibia wo de ato will no so bia no revoked. Mama ma scenario kwaku manu na ne yere adwoansia omo ware in 1975 omo ware in 1975 no omo ewo ma mienu omo ma mienu no saa nkola no sesia no omo anyinyin. Unfortunately 2020 kwaku manu ane ne yere no wu na ansa na ne yere no bewu no na omo wo properties enan saa properties enan no na kwaku manu will no ene ne yere will no ne yere no will no o ansa na obewu no o twa will nim o revoke because o say o person gya ne kun nko anti o de bibia ma ne kun no ama ne kun will no o se bibia adan no nyina nko ne ma ho kwaku manu after 2 years an yere wu no ware Agatha no Agatha time ne man time kwaku manu enso ani enti na kwaku manu kra no akire o yare koda home Agatha nsi hoda kwaku manu wi ama ne ma no kofa well no ama ne ma no omo se well na om papa twere no yese omo ana omo mfa ajapade no lawyer ka kire nkola mienu no se dabi o papa ni will because o papa o ware Agatha no na o will dada ba de no ware Agatha no ne will no ewu ti dan na mo pre ho no dan no the first 340,000 eko Agatha ho de aka no momo de 50 ono so de 50 na che say yehwema Agatha benya over 70% of the assets na oguye no because all those na papa no will no o worry ya no ne will no revoked nti ade a na nka opese ekone ma ho no akọ oba watan ne ni watan ne ma ne ni wanhwe no wanhwe ne ma saa asem we esi ewo kromo ha esi 2019 ama ne call parliament ama parliament ka sɛ ɔmɛhwɛ law ni biom. Yɛhwɛ section 18 of the 1871 Wills Act, amended by the Administration of Justice Act, any section 20, adeɛ ka ne sɛ, the only time wo worry foforo wo will no nyɛ revoked ne sɛ, wo will na wo yɛ no, wo contemplate sɛ saa time a wo yɛ will no, na the following day, following month, following year, following 2 years, oba be worry oba your friend of Manye Ten. And a contemplated marriage. The only time a will be survived after marriage, and it's within the will, under section 18 of the Wills Act of 1971, a contemplated. Sana neti wa Ghana until 1971, Wills Act, amended both section 18 of the UK Wills Act, and under the Matrimonial Causes Act of 1973, and so within section 28 of Ghana's Matrimonial Causes Act, and also say aware and revoke will. The difference between UK and Wales and then Ghana, and say, so we warrior in UK or will near revoked. Into when you warrior was out your well for. And now I said, when himself will be warrior, what your will la. Nipa na obe warrior, and was sending dimba will name se me babe warrior as to miss way. But be a woman will be a masana me penno. The other part in so was our sure no say. So when it obi abobra. Na wasi o de menya worried. Bibia me to be no. Me well no. Me pesa me de ma. Enti oya well no na ojai wa. Sa well na ochro say wono wa ma o sa de we no. Divorce no ye no. E revoke sa specific gift na o de ma wo no. Aha sa na law no tie. Ghana sa na law no tie. Divorce revokes specific gifts, not the will, the total will. Marriage revokes the total will, unless the marriage, at the time I was the marriage was in contemplation. Are very complex. These are the issues who are your community. And as I said here, me dealing with issues. So far, I cost so I call over £25,000. Yes, we are obenya assets of about 450,000. But so 1 year will, oba obi te se me ho na makoama. The other problem is so 1 year will, obi timi wia wo properties no. Because ebi kra na oba no nya aware so wo bank account be. So case here me it's taking us almost a year and a half. Ama ye de who say our bank account our bank be. These are the sort of things I was here very careful. Say asia. In UK, over 60% of adults are well. In Ghana, it's over 85%. In UK, half of all children born are born out of wedlock, which means that mama no worry papa no. Papa no ana mama no will ni ho. What happens? Sadly, it happens. When your story ayeka, where live cases are we're dealing with. And it is fair, say you be raised within the community near delivery. Timanyati, so question be what I will deal with it, but ene way and I'm the
Yo, la Bernard, yeah, that's it. Hey, wama, we be nyoma eni sopa edi amaye. Na, tie for asema ye kahono, wabe join ni afino wa join ni afofra. We are talking about the ABC of a valid will. Ene, anke be amaye home, ye can say UK die, ene ye can say Ghana so edie. Wachechi mu out to the stand say o ware na tama wo ye why your will na o worry as soon as we worry e wo UK mu e wa ha no e be revoke will na why ye no na Ghana nso ye was similar but Ghana no wa can be like in court in is it was the word in contemplation. Yes, in contemplation wacheche mu but ye be baso Uncle Ben more question kakra me to our side we ho eni edi kan me mfa ne say ma ware me ne me kunu yetna ha emre kakra. Sisi I say ye can about UK law no ene Ghana law no ni nyina eba to the writing of will. Enti no memfa se ye wa ha yatna ha ya ye japade ana okunu no watoto mbia mfie kakra wa ye investment kakra e wo krom ha na mretia we mu na mo relocate to Ghana na mo wo Ghana na sebio papa ni efri mo eba ni sa ben UK law about will no ene be so ana Ghana law no na ebegyina so na ne ntia me bisa ne saa no nso se mbia matro will wa ha na mbia me ne me yire wo ho na me yire ka baabi o se etumi ye bibi wo will no ho se wo yire wu a ana se wo yire o divorce a etumi ye bibi wo will no ho se si ayakotna Ghana. I don't want to complicate the question but ayakotna Ghana na embia masa akọware foforo abra embia na meyere ewu but yete Ghana sisi a hwan law himfa law na yeji atum na yede edi adwuma no mpacho menim se wati masie kakra.
Matthias, yeah. Well, first of all, no, because Ghana, you tia inheritance tax, UK, you tia inheritance tax. And as a lawyer, no, my advice will say you two wills.
Okay,
Back for UK, back for Ghana. Because
right.
UK court, no, any jurisdiction, our Ghana. And a Ghana court, no, so any jurisdiction, our UK. And
Okay.
so we are one whaler. Now we probate our UK. Wintimi nko use probate in Ghana. I just said what they call Ghana for resale and I will apply for probate bill. The same way because Ghana a Commonwealth country no. You need UK our reciprocal agreement. Say yeah well our Ghana now will be now we're gonna buy into effect. So what probate or Ghana obetimi abeji bibi or a friend colonial sale and I say resale and I say obey fresh probate application, online probate application. I am very complex. Now, yet here your live case involving millions of pounds. And I'm going to be very careful with the money be American. First of all, boarding. But potentially we're looking over several millions of pounds. So see, you're very careful at conflict, baby. In Kolawum,
Right.
abusuafo ekunim ana yirenim but
Wow.
a millions nipa na nya well sa nipa no okura passports mienu okura Ghana passport and okura British passport sa wanya well a o question is o yeah well so we yeah well baby a we yeah well no a hon law na ye de beye ti sa we yeah well no UK a ye de UK law ana beche ejapade no ana se obeje probate e UK so we no Ghana e de Ghana ana beche the problem no yet so why nya well no wa law Croben law ana efa there were two legal concepts there were habitual residence and there were domicile no both are legal concepts. Domicile, any legal definition, but a factual assessment. Place of habitual residence, our legal definition. A baby, our fat some crew, we tintim wo ho, ye juma wo ho, aye japade, our family wo ho, and any place of usual residence, and our ordinary residence. So, without will, the issue, ye be issue, idea ye be determined. Law a be apply no eye niema mienu ehe na assets no ewo ana kroben na we domicile obia ewo a minimum of one domicile obia wo domicile of origin ana wo san wo domicile of choice.
Wow.
Domicile of origin no eye baby a wo moja efri Enti me domicile of origin Ghana because you were me Ghana. Enti although some matena UK for more than half of me age, Enti UK me place of habitual residence. And a UK me domicile of choice. But my domicile of origin Ghana. Now, two conflicting laws. Supreme Court are resolved, sir, to resolve the two competing concepts. So, my property Ghana because me domicile of origin Ghana no. Ghana intestacy law manya wela anabeche, which means me extended family ebenya bi. Me mma benya 75%. Me yere ne me mma ebenya 75%. 25% no come customary family home. In UK, say because I hire my place of ordinary residence. So my assets no UK no manya wela. 340,000. Sorry, 270,000. Ebe come yere ho. Diaka no one me mma ebe che no 50-50. Now, you can say ma your biological and adopted children.
Children.
And your stepchildren. The biological children, you be a umoja ewonimu. Adopted child, you be a wakokot akoje. Ti se we kun ana eyire. No anya well. Na be a o yire ana ukun eba be wara no wo ba manketwa. And it happens all the time. Ebusua bi ebi ankola no ye months old. Papa na yere ewu ana maame ne kun ewu ode akọware foforo. Sa akola no enye papa no moja ana asa enye maame no moja. Enti se maame no wu ana papa no wu no anye wela. Because akola no nye ne biological child. Akola no enya hwe. Can you imagine a situation like that where our fa akola no se wo ba or from daddy or from mommy or friend of my child man say obi bia we bia no obi anim so ye woba. So one year well these are the problems and the case now you're dealing with CCR na your potential millions assets now you spread across 4 countries. Enti what the Ghana law be adwuma what the UK law be adwuma or the person about the other countries because obi be nipa me kana say no what the other countries law and a juma. Can you imagine getting a Ghanaian lawyer, getting a British lawyer, getting 2 other countries' lawyers? We crown a country for Bisu because Yakumus Kabidaho over $1 million, and that's our country. The problem with this case is in the say, so we will be a homodia, Miss Rao. Yeah, well, meaning say 60% of microphone with him in Omonia. Maybe a 40% in the year. But 40%, yeah, we're getting somewhere. Timanyeti, a crucial as a people, no. Because of issues I identified, first now you're well. This month you started your well. To say we are Ghana ni, opposite your Ghana well mawa, yebayama. Opposite your UK wo mawa, yebayama. For your community, no. Yeah, give fixed fee and yes, it can be because most of your wells are and complex. Assets near defined. And usually will be a trust well, and that's a very fairly straightforward well. And you give fixed fee and no boy in your day. To say we are Ghana ni now person will throw well free offices here the book appointment near throw well no more. So Ghana ni now person throw well I'll be used to Ghana. From your offices here, you bet me I am out. Because problem I who community I was here started taking action. Because near my young I am very, very sad. And I tell you, say I'm very careful now. When Japa DNA abrabo within a lifetime no. One here no big crowd or ya time for another babefa. Mama you're careful. Then you're alive to the problems in the community.
Uncle Ben, me da se ade we de me ngin di say yen time ya we ebeso na ye guso a ye bisa anytime I will be explaining question bia na it brings so many questions again to us. Now yemfa ne se ne wacheche mu nyina ya te ase atete bi nso ne se wanye will no na ewu kromo a especially na bibi esi a obi na ese aban no kra etumi fa wo nneoma no de ne nsa to so nukura ben ne wom Uncle Ben answer na mebisa me other questions I may listen it down on patcho.
Okay, yes, true. Sir, unni well, now intestator. Sir, right of an answer, a right of inheritance, no. First person, your spouse. Spouse, when you jolly, and yempna, and you'll be out in the tedema, ma wo. Spouse, ye obia, wa warren. UK, you can't spouse, it includes same sex partner. Amaware and a civil partnership. For
Okay.
Ghana, no, say nipa no your spouse, obi a waware no either under the marriage ordinance and either under customary law and as Islamic law. Nti se kromo ano se uwa na wanye wela. The first person your friend was on mefa wajapa de na ye woyere ana wuku. Se woni yere ana wuku a ekọ wo mma ho.
Okay.
Se woni yere woni kun woni mma ekọ wa wofo ho.
Okay.
Se woni yere woni kun woni mma woni awofo ho a ekọ wo full siblings full siblings ye maame baako papa baako.
Okay.
Se woni ayere woni kun woni mma woni ena woni agya woni full siblings a ekọ wo half siblings ho.
Okay.
Yewie. Enti wo ba ha mini papa bi owa ha oni yere oni kun oni mma oni abusua obi ani baby ofi minim sort ye road so West Green Road minim papa because mini didn't come or buy ho papa no properties wo ha mienu e wo West Green Road property bia wo sa ye area mo ha no 4 bedrooms and above are potentially looking about £1 million.
Wow.
Okay, my catchings on your well. Or yeah, a bit of, on your Rastafarian, but in Yemen be or a typical me or yeah, Afrocentric,
Yes.
on your will. My catcher says, Senator Con, when you're careful, the near man of the court. The problem says, Nipa will na ye intimi identify na busuan for bibia akọ aban ho. Bibia akọ aban ho. Ti so obi ka se wanye wo la onema betimi akọ aban ho a aye no kre. Ewa ha aye no kre. Ewa Ghana. And that is why aye important. Aye even more than important. Aye essential. So we nipa nko na we adult na wo tiase na wo ye adwuma nko sipo. Ubetimi a contemplate say in 2 years no me sit down and me sit down whatever it is no ubetimi aya well say ajapade bia me wo bia the time am me wo no e bia say woni hwio ubetimi aga say ajapade bia me wo at the time am at the time am me wo no enko say enko me ma ho say enko me nua no ho say enko me ma me me papa ho say enko charity say enko masore. You can do that. You can do that. Now, why a well no? Now, well no so ubetimi aye well a enye well. And intina ye topic and ye valid well. Wills be wo a enye valid. Inti say obi baby says well ben enye valid. Well a enye valid no. Aye well a meet the basic tenets of requirements no. Ebi aye say we are 18 and above. We are a person of sound mind. Wa or well near witnessed in writing until well near in writing na near witnessed that now I try the exercise book now what I share with pillow ase and our mattress ase which people do now yes fine say we na yeah would desire but unfortunately anya well nti me fan ko probate.
Yeah, Uncle Ben, questions upon questions, but Obinsoba, because talking of probate and a sound mind, me were one major question me were maybe but other four so where the obvious here may be lines no, but when you buy she maybe so we no more sem not feed ye yen to us patcho good morning
Good
free
morning, ma.
yeah yen
Good
to
morning, madam. Me Frefi London.
okay
Uh, uh, Uncle Ben, me pacho me chia kakra.
ojo so me do
Uncle pacho, me pese bisa question kakra. We dey, what do we buy na? Just say abi me so mai kakra na.
went to me and
Emfa well ho.
oh
But
okay
now me hunu Facebook say Uncle Ben, but I'm so BWF Solicitors U.K bank kasa dey na me question dey. On you will jump because me long time. My follow no swat.
internet
Oba
just
rainbow no.
and you're no anka omba me charge you.
Oh, that be me back. Tell me, lawyers are more you know, no more you know. Yeah, me follow.
Okay,
Madam, me
Mati.
follow, me
Mati,
follow.
koso.
And I'm just say, we na me pen and coben, kasa num, and a menyano.
You,
And the
Mati.
ben pacho, my question is, so, oh yeah, our dear kata. Men fa say, your customary we na. Now the ba UK halom, now the ware. Na edu se bia, oh you, bia, tawantawa banama, moja wadia. Say, the ma court say where ya no mo pe original one na wo ye say so ye no but when you original man na wo copy original one na wo copy a bien kwan na beti ma fa so a court for beti dia ma because o send a photocopy of ba kono ma mo so mo accept it nti be say wo an kasa chichi mo no me nya fi ho no na ye mu ne be
See, o patre say o ware ni pa kono wo Ghana ba moti kromu ha.
ye wo
Ena
kroma
e won
na ye
krata so
ware
say
ase
woni sa ni pa
pacho
kono aware.
ye wo kroma na ye ware ase custom marriage na ichichi ho krataa nyinaa ma adansefoɔ yɛ no ɔmɔde baeɛ
Okay.
na yɛtena more than mfie du akyi ɛsɛ ntawatawa aba mu
Okay.
na yɛde kɔɔ court the court no pɛ original one no
Mo divorce sisi right?
wɔde
And
gyaeɛ yɛ
through divorce process no any more requested for the original marriage certificate,
original
right?
yɛ bɛtɛ no ntituo ne adeade nti no yɛhu ayera nti no mebisa nka bɛn sɛ deɛ nkwa na yɛbɛfa so a yɛbɛtumi anya ne ɔmo paa ma ɔmo.
You, Uncle Ben, with the what debate main topic, but enya she you won't
Some like
price.
I said, me the can
You okay, Uncle Ben Pato Adaroma.
Okay, under your family law proceedings rules, so we'll file any petition, including an application for divorce. We use original marriage certificate, Since last year, because divorce, digitally and online, we scan original. For some reason, so who could copy now? Scan a copy now. Copy was scanning. Almost a new original now scanning. How they are able to tell, I don't know. But say ukra copy of marriage certificate. The nyama mienu na obetimi aye. The quickest and the cheapest way, they say obema oma issue certified copy every Ghana aba.
Okay.
That is the quickest and the cheapest way. So wuntimi enye sadia, any obey application within the family law proceedings rules. Now, why application say court no allow now on file with divorce with a photocopy. But court in most instances on be expect say what the original no beba and sana or my issue decree absolutely. To we application now, which your fee, I think the fee is about 200 there about how much is it?
Yeah.
Family law application, I think the fee is about £200. But America said the cheapest way is Obama will be I just certified copy every Ghana. But copy now on all the more on my back of your head, no more certified copy. That is the easiest and the quickest and the cheapest way to me.
Okay.
na
Papa, when you
madam
answer.
madam pacho maybe san ka ben say saa copy na o ka no e wo say wo mo de let bi e ka ho
You can't certify not just say oh photocopy now okitano. Wo de be call Ghana ho no. So omo record wo ho. Okay? Omo record into omo hu there na they can trace no mama certified one. Let's just say ye tintim so say eye no kre why saa de no na omo issue as a certificate sa copy no omo be certify no
Madam Bacho,
mhm
Martin walk and I may be saying to Ben say,
okay
Omon Saka, certify now, or say, oh, copy no. So, yeah, I was at almost until to be atatia na. That's my question.
oh okay letter e free him fan
If you be a make a general, maybe I may say foreign affairs, dear womb. I saw Modeba, if finishing Metropolitan Assembly, dear womb, I saw Modeba. Well, I want to know now, make us say, I don't know, I was at your son, letter, the attack to say, we know, dear, a year, now, the copy in the son of this in France.
you Uncle Ben Pacho
Well, I mean, first of all, no, sir, would certified marriage certificate. Ghana, you know, say there were two forms of marriage certificate. There were customary marriage, dear, no, and there were ordinance. Ordinance, no, a green one, tin. There, it is a card, tin, be din, no. And a customary one also, may we say, be issue card, square one, and a be issue appendix, no, annex, and also fita tin. You can marriage certificate. Sa nneɛma mmienu no na ɛyɛ marriage certificate. Letter o, statutory declaration o, and marriage certificate. However, sɛ wode yɛ biribi wɔ home office a, ɛno na woyɛ hia letter. But for court purposes no, letters a keka ka ho nyinaa no, yɛ waawaa free so. Saa tenten no nko ara na yɛ scan na yɛde kɔ court no. Nti ɔhene wohia letter biara. But sɛ yɛ certified a, certified no nkyerɛ sɛ yɛ photocopy. Certified copy no kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ still ɛyɛ original no, but ɛnyɛ ɛno ne yɛde maa mo time a mo ware no. Ɛno nti na yɛfrɛ no certified copy no. Ti wohia letter biara. Why?
Okay, much it.
Okay.
onso sa so wa share program ne de
But me follow pa,
me say wa share enya following wa share de
okay.
Well, yo,
Me share.
yeah, but more than why? Nyame shra papa. Yo, Uncle Ben, you go so etie for where the when you answer what be mo idea na just maybe a telephone lines no whilst I keep answering question my Uncle Ben questions na me wono enti no ube to me afre 020 81231016 and I say 07399208468 say oh question bi baby a owo no embia na unto me mfre na mom upese ye bisama wa obetuma your voice note e wo WhatsApp number we so e 07596620154 usani voice note no e ba so a mebo ama Uncle Ben eyi ano na mesa ama obi biara akwa ba biom Sandra nyame nhra o ye ma good morning so gifty echa intim I say good morning everyone ye je so asumdwe nka ye nyina na najima I say please share na najima good morning Uncle Ben manye na ye je so anope didi se wo ho ye covenant grace monkoso na mon share program no emma ye na enko echichichichi Uncle Ben maybe a telephone lines no to me frɛ fa ho sɛ bi a will ho na wa nen probate ho na wa bi do ho asɛm ana we bisa ho question you wo obetumi bisa question bi a cross board immigration questions family law obi no abi bisa ne de aware asɛm yi obetumi abebisa litigation na mitigation sa abrofo na na nkro bisa am sɛ me ka ase ɛtrɛ is mostly to do with edwumasɛm contract to throw any ade wo sensan won sɛ de bia ye ma contract bia no assign wo a won kan afi na do abra or say bibi esi no na afi na ye refer all these things no na akoye manso twe we adwuma mo employer any wo employer no any wo enti nyo bi sa na nyina ye hwe bia na last week ye be kan tax ho asem ye be kan just adwuma mo nsem se ne wo tax sie one all these things na nyina fall under those areas na enti no sa na tie wo question bia wo ho a obetumi de aba na ye bisa de ama nipa ko ofre obetumi assign afre biom Uncle Ben you made mention of probate na enti enim say will nso de call with probate but oho no si enti ase bebe yi a sen na ye beti ase ye kan probate ye de attach wo no probate na nkasa ni action ba ben na ye take a ye friend is probate no mpaucho
Okay, and practical issues. I may person may conclude on valid will no. Ɛwɔ ha ne Ghana. Enti when you two witnesses or my sign no. Sɛ wowɔ ha a wobɛtumi de ama wo lawyer or bank anaa wode ahyɛ wo safe mu na wabɔ wo mma ne wo yere anaa wo ku amanneɛ. Sɛ wowɔ Ghana a wayɛ will na wie no ɛwɔ sɛ wode ma lawyer na lawyer no ɔde seal no te sɛ wax ɔde seal ɛbɛgu so ɔde seal no gu will no so a 4 copies of the will and 2 passport photographs of the testator no. Ti yɛde seal no gu will no so a na yɛakɔ file wɔ high court. The nti yɛte saa ne sɛ under your evidence decree of 1975 wɔ Ghana no. Nneɛma bi wɔ hɔ na court no bɛ admit a ɛwɔ sɛ ɔmo yɛ satisfied sɛ ɛfi the right source. Nti will biara a wobɛ use wɔ Ghana no ɛyɛ advisable sɛ wobɛ file wɔ high court. Nansa na wobɛ file wɔ high court no ɛwɔ sɛ wode ba lawyer hɔ na lawyer de ne seal or the it is a wax seal no yɛfrɛ wax yɛ nane gu will no so na wode passport photos aka ho na wode kɔ na high court no registry yɛfrɛ no wills registry na ɔmagye ato hɔ which means sɛ daakye biara mopɛ sɛ ɔma will no to probate a court hɔ na ɛwɔ nti ɛyɛ very easy forgery nim alteration biara nim wontumi mmɛka sɛ wei nyɛ mpapa na yɛ ɔbaa na wakɔfa wɔn paase aba ɛhyɛ court aha no biribi ne hɔ saa woyɛ will on a plain A4 sheet of paper wo sign na witnesses ne sign a ɛyɛ will Ghana nso saa ɛyɛ will but sɛnɛ ɛbɛyɛ a mansotwe ne probate no ɛnkɔkyɛ no ɛyɛ better sɛ yɛayɛ wɔ Ghana will na wie no ma yɛamfa seal no ngu so wax no ngu so na yɛnkɔ file ɛwɔ high court ma Ubisa question. Say probate in the say. First of all, UK probate application. So who will your friend of probate. So when you will your friend of probate with letters of administration with will attached. For when you will your friend of letters of administration will be attached. To open so who so be what I call letters of administration. I probator. Or call online probate registry with Tiosika or bet me a check in. Who per se we probator? We hear original will. We hear executors no. The executors no kwa and a bit me apply for probate. Usually almost ye through yen. To buy a hoa. Ye j will now. Ye j instructions a free executors no. Executors ye omoa. Ye dia de no be show monsa on be check properties. Ti ye wi a na ya check properties ni nyina na ya ye online valuation na ya fill form be a friend of form high HT 205 na ya declare it as the value of the properties no na ya tua ho tax so tax nye payable a ya fill ya beka se tax nye payable na ye wi a ya call online HM Court and Tribunal Services, your account wo na ya file ya fill form no nipa na yaji probate na mano no nipa no wu in the death certificate ni bibia originals ya upload ni nyina gu omo portal so ye tue fee normally yaje maybe about 5 to 10 copies of the grant no because so our mortgage I was the original grant no come no or bank account on be here original no or dan a person or the call and registry or your transfers because we ntimi nton dan wa bra dan ni udi mo all those say unya conveyance na obi obeta obetimi ati asese wo grant no the grant of probate no aye proof say obetimi aton sa dan no but normally no you transfer property no into the names of the beneficiaries no na omotimi aton Ghana nso a similar process high court probate Wales registry how do papa din akọ wabisa yesio kojem owu bia last year yepese ye probate application omo hwehwe we no mu ho a watua ofi wa file name why valuation of the assets no Who be a utia but a inheritance tax.
Okay.
Utia according to the value of the property. No, and yes, it's usually under £1,000. Utia be na court na tenase na issue until we issue letters for administration with will attached and our letters for administration without will. Now I don't know we so what they now what they higher distribution. To sanity manye.
Hey, adeɛ hi ɛda fam sɛ ɛda fam sa yo akabɛn yɛda ase wakyekye mu ama yɛhu otiefo a wotie nipa kwa no ɔfrɛ sisi ano wobɛtumi asan frɛm sɛ wentumi engyina so ama na nkyɛ akabɛn yeah here is the case o kasa ne mo before caller first caller ne frɛ o ka your friend is saying sound mind. Enti sisi a sound mind asɛm yi na yɛmfa ne sɛ ɔbɛrima no anaa no ɔbaa no ɛna agyapadeɛ wayɛ yɛ biara ma abusua no na sɛ wonyɛ sound mind a hwan na betumi gyina mu na yɛayɛ will ama wo ɛmbia na mmere bi no show intent anaasɛ wo ne wo mma ne wo yere ɛte hɔ edidi nkɔmmɔ no wotumi ka nyame yɛ adom na ɔto ne nsa frɛ me a megyapadeɛ wei menya anka bɛkɔ wei hɔ ɛbɛyɛ wei hɔ yɛtumi gyina saa nsɛm abra mbia enyin kakra anaasɛ yareɛ bi ato anaasɛ bibi na wehu sɛ ɔwɔ sɛ nka woyɛ will anaasɛ senior ɛkɔ no yehu sɛ wo mental health problem yi wanhwɛ a ɛbɛte wo nkwa so ntɛm nsan sɛ senior ɛkɔ no nkɔ yie a na will onye bi a kwan bɛn ne yɛfa so a obi betumi gyina mu anaasɛ yɛbɛyɛ saa will no de ama wo. Me second question, okay, yeah, answer we answer na maybe sa second question no wɔ hɔ anka bɛn patro etumi yɛ yie saa sɛ obi tumi.
Okay, and first of all, no, so we are a person of unsound mind. I wouldn't mean your will, wouldn't mean delegate to be crab on your will, and you're possible. Because well, no, I have personal preferences and desires. So we are a person of unsound mind, unfortunately. Yeah, well, people with disability will be while you're blind. So be a blinder, still with me, I will. You read well, no man, but durat, no, and as the concluding part, no, I will say indicate to see you read well, no man, will be also on Tibrofo. Into the well, no, I had done what tears here. Tell us we indicate what durat in him. So you read in a language that the person understands. Maybe chi, ga, ewa, dagbani, dagomba, whatever it is, no. Now I sign. It will be so a while with Ninsa. Or better sign.
Sir.
Nina answer. Obetimiam will be assign man. But was say yen name. Gafili Gadochi. Inti. Or no more approval say obin sign man. Covered by it may well by remote well. Inti who video so test our video so 2 witnesses will video so. Now my sign because of COVID and also possible. So see I covered a free or your BM Law Society say you're very careful, say you be a remote sign in the beam.
Okay.
Obi so wa na oyare. Oyare in the sense that mini obi a onya accident. Ana mini obi so a onya stroke, ye brain hemorrhage. Enti nadwen no ye yi nadwen no half. Unfortunately, enti plate na danity so.
Oh.
Nti sɛ ontimi nkasa ana ontimi ntwerɛ but ɔmmɔ dɛm na ɔyɛ person of sound mind nti obi nso wɔ hɔ a na wɔ mild dementia ɔno nso yɛ person of sound mind but the only person a ɔbɛtumi aka sɛ nkurɔfoɔ sɛ ayɛ persons of sound mind no ayɛ doctor.
Okay.
Ɔwɔ sɛ doctor bɛm sɛnɛ ɛbɛyɛ a wo nua bi a sɛbi ɔnya nneɛma obi a wɔnyɛ bi ankɔka sɛ daabi me maame yɛ saa de wei no na ɔnyɛ person of sound mind mehu bi na maame bi a ne brother ne nya stroke ne brother before then na ne brother na ka kyerɛ sɛ n'agyapadeɛ nyina ɔde ama no because ɔyɛ ne nua nti ɔhwɛ no fa hwɛ ne mma no papa no wuyi a mokɔfa away no na papa no de biribi ama ne yere ne mma ana maame ne sɛ daabi ɔnyɛ ntu na wei no ne brother ne bɛku abɔdam can you imagine? Anyway, I call court to the catcher and say, Uni case. Where I say, where I make Ghana. And the fact that obi what disability and interest on a person of sound mind.
Okay.
No medical evidence na bachelor.
Hey, asemo. Yo, Uncle Bernard, yeah, that's it. Other for you go so ewa ha is becoming more interesting. Will throw and that form. You know, board ne so Nana Kofi Ebisa say, what are the merits for one to create a trust? Do I have to own a property or have a certain amount of money to qualify in creating a trust? Nti young question Nana Kofi Edi Abano no Uncle Ben.
Well, first of all, no, there were different trusts. There were well a trust. So I can't be a truster. Not just be a what the ano. What the ama the almost sheso Emma Obi. And usually I like to use myself as an example. To say mene meyere and me babako. Yeah, trustees. Emma me nana. Because ne papa created trust amano. Tiene reso. For tax purposes, no, a advantage. Because they are the namano. And in nsambio, nti untimi taxes are no.
Oh, okay.
For because we are alive, we on a wire trust and so I want a well month. Wire two trusts, one whilst we are alive and a two. So niwa, I am very important. So we a business person, also tax saving measures, no, I am very important. But for will, no, trust within will, no, should I say, ABR, may what properties and funds at 20. 20 in our commercial and our investment properties, which means that a mat me income. And to me, well, no me the ashim say, semi wua, ebi am a mano, ebi two, and your trustees, and ma omo makano, because I'm person beton property. And the ombejiscano, no much amo, and your mamma, and I'm a mamma and my papa, say, Yame frame me jaw and I be a minianum, whatever I've done with my will, no. Sad my no. But whilst we are alive, no, trust, no, it's say who ye adeno from who will control. Ayodia, but we ye free will control. Ama nipa bi and a group of persons say omo and control sadeno for the benefit of another person.
Right.
Trust us, yeah, I don't know. Yes.
Yes.
Bibi, but a benefits no beko will be for her. And on a friend of trust, yeah.
Yo,
our tax implications. To the tax implication, am I explaining? A civil tax, a lot of tax, and I think so. So nyame frewa because property maybe it's in the millions, you know. And also civil tax because what am I trust no? At the time I would now I was trust no. The trust no survive it keeps on the I know you're part of estate now you could inheritance tax. Yeah.
That's a very good one there then. Other for one so me won say emre ko enti no me money bisa question. I've got another two questions I may bisa about life policy. Have you made the mention of trust? Yeah, share life policy so anyway but mami ma adofwe bisa the questions. And pacho so o kasa frame my ente onka. Kafra say we dina so ache.
Yes, sure. Pacho, good morning, beautiful man. Good morning, Uncle Ben.
Good
Pacho, we
morning.
can free London.
Good morning, mommy. Pacho, me
Okay. Pacho, you, if when it's my question in fact, if it's the discussion and more, okay. Let me say, this Uncle Ben said, baby, I see now if when it's a landlord, you know, if I say or Janet guy or my session 21, I think I've asked this question before, and Uncle Ben show me say, Minko, if when it's Minko back to council, no, na Mr. Council for no, everyone be about send no sika into or more infinity. No more transfer me call social services department or more dealing with because of the children. Like I say, no, if when it's a landlord, no, adding. Let's say free county Edmonton County Court, say member court for eviction on the 25th of April. And let me be Ben say, I was me attending and I said, I was me TSKB and Sanama attending. I don't know. Now I thought, say, let's have a by say, or mobile mammy date or mobile evicting, not knowing, I have to go to the court to hear about the eviction landlord not taking. But you didn't ask someone to be Ben, not on my please.
Okay, then to know more evicted no.
A friend is all Jenny Dino. Not
all set why then.
Not all two dining na missing mintia. And not the far process.
And reason now the eviction, then watch raw also.
A much say when it's if you run a episode, if you run a Jenny Dine, that was the or Jenny Dino.
Okay.
The process of eviction into Membra Court, Edmonton County Court on the 25th of April.
And well, the first thing is we follow amount section 21 or the amount usually amount time up to 28 days, it be up to 3 months, depending on the type of tenure or whatnot. At this stage, I was say my council no ya aware say ya fraud court. Na tirion beka. But court no, ade court no ya na say omo peso mutie wano asem. Ebiom say bia wo challenge ana wo challenge. Ebiom say landlord no wa follow procedure because eviction no process no is very strict. Defined in law and court no be say follow that process ni nyina. But in your case, and I don't know if one person fight eviction and as one person be fighting.
In fact, me fear Uncle Ben. I've been here for 14 years and it's too much. And me fear has free. And until now, for me best suggestion from you,
And if I call cancel, so person free. When you baby for our kwana, and I will person cancel the house.
Me best cancel the house, please.
And yeah, was what the week a call cancel no. Why? Because antisa why here be that car kwan so.
Before you have court now, not for you.
Debbie, say when your sermons. If for sermons no call local authority, for social services, children and family.
Okay.
Because you see, no, we are homeless. Minim the entire my trimusa no. But say scanner na da no, scanning in our coffee.
But just come a
na also mu ska bi wa account ni mti no man fa ma.
But try scan ni na efri mo me de tu nkwala no eyi ni mo.
Efri mu wagadre efri mu ana genuinely efri mu.
Uncle but wagadre.
Because say wagadre o me omo access to accounts nyina. Ankola accounts no say omo yankola wona who crash ka no.
Some under until 18 years before they can touch it.
Yeah, and say where we see can now the man kola na money available. Anyway, we dey ko hu no mo hwe de ombeka. Why?
About you.
But ko hu man say na court time na do.
About you.
Okay.
Assembly mode. Mami. Say a cash nso na oyi begu fia na no nso adane man so twen wo hwen.
Oni na asem no,
obi ebedu baby cry a friend no place to hide. Akaka cry.
About you much. Me da much.
Yeah, that's it. So I share program there.
Pacha ma share.
Me da o say. Why?
Yeah, bye.
Thank you. Uncle Be Yagusu Ewa ha etie for Miss Remo say afi no adwan ya. Asema ye kan ye di hu ebobo ye ma education the ABC of a valid will. Not just say will edimu na will obetumi ejina so and hu na ye kan na say ba ni sa dia na there are other ways obetro will en money enye valid endimu ene Uncle Ben Ewa ha o chechiri mu na yate ase yi wa chechiri bebre fiti ase en sa fe no adwan ya say opese unya more details there obetumi abo program no after ye wie no obenya na wonya emo nchechiri nyina na nso say mbia a open them and I say bibia because one na share na mbia o question bi twe wadua obetumi afre na ye di Uncle Ben eyimmoa Uncle Ben yenkoso na yenhwe say we will nkrofo bebre nso ewo kromo ha ya wa will dem and ebi mo nso aye life policy enti life policy no nso yenim say wo ye a wo kire sebio se BBC ewo wabrabo mu a bebia saa policy na wo ye no say yesike bio say japade bio say de ben bio na wo de ye saa policy na bebia saa ade no enko enti ye bisa say eno wo ho na wasan ye will a nso aben difference ben na wo saa de mienu mu ba ko override ba ko ana ba ko de gina ne nko ane de ana se ne anka wa kira yen trust say trust nso ewo ho no enam for tax purposes ne ade yen hwe life policy any will no patcho difference ben so na ewo ho mesre we ni de
Well, life policy sɛ ne di nature a ɛyɛ insurance bi a wote ase no woyɛe sɛ nyame to ne nsa frɛ wo a saa sika no ɛnkɔ bi mu hɔ.
okay
Life policy asɛ kyerɛ ase no. Enti ɛyɛ security bi a sɛ woyɛ breadwinner, usually young people ne nneɛma, even in old age obi wɔ still a breadwinner. Na ɛnɛ wote hwe a na ɔma no bɛsɔfa a wotumi yɛ sɛ okay ebi 100,000 200,000 300 4 500,000 me de to me life so sɛ me wu a montua sɛ sika wei ɛma mabusuafoɔ.
okay
Ɛyɛ totally different from will. All those ne nyinaa it take effect time a wawu no. But within the life policy no who identify nipa a ɔnkɔfa ɛho nyia sɛ wobɛyɛ well for life policy. And a life policy nso yɛmfa nhyɛ well mu because within the life policy nhyehyɛe na ɛwɔ hɔ no biribiara wɔ life policy nim. There were other insurances a ɛno nso ne nyinaa kɔ administrators and trustees hɔ bibi te sɛ wo pension ne nyinaa pension trustees ne decide baabi a sika no bɛkɔ. Ebi ɛtumi kɔ no menim obi a ɔkɔyɛ arranged marriage na ɔwɔ ana owui ne sika a ɔkɔ hundreds of thousands of pounds ne nyinaa dodoɔ no akɔ bɛrima no ne na yɛ arranged marriage no hɔ. Yɛtry sɛ yɛbɛgye bi ama akɔlaa no sika ɔma no yɛ kakraa bi yɛtry a nkɔsi hwee nti because no trustees ne decide ɛnyɛ wɔ well. The same way no nso life policy no so wowu a wakyerɛ baabi a sika no nkɔ ɛno nso yɛ advisable sɛ even £5 a month wotumi de yɛ life policy menim sɛ ghanafoɔ yɛmpɛ insurance tua within that no yɛwobi sɛ ɛfrɛ no income protection nti income protection no nso ɛyɛ policy bi a wayɛ sɛ yareɛ bi bɔ a na wontumi nyɛ w'adwuma a woyɛ yɛfrɛ no ebi a own employment life policy a life policy employment protection and income protection own occupation and I say be any occupation saa de ne to a nso betua wo income bi ama I policies be brave but life policy so may advise you be say life policy when we say bi mu tua funeral expenses insurance wa bro mo nya life policy
some
I for me it's just waste of money. They would be your funeral expenses policy. I don't know if I know life policy. Funeral expenses will be maybe a man 20,000. Now if I a year usually between 5,000 and 20,000. So life policy no can there's no limit on it. And once we are prepared, so be to your premium no idea. Are you good? But we all say and a lawyer where they say me to metiasi me nya home faso bia. Of course we nya home faso because my peace of mind. Peace of mind and quiet faso.
no
And our parents are still sure. Important as I am and year. Ain't it good so be a bedroom sad no? To Deborah and so her.
Uncle Ben, you me da say, Deborah, me good morning. Me nya call back. Me my name be the question of me, my Deborah, and summarize what we've learned today, no. oh yen potokase my English version of it na afide you be bisa na nka men say ye me reyi a wo so e bisa the question na me ba one quick question be e tire ma adwen so na odofo wa ahoma so pacho me bi line na ma o free me ente unka.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Papa.
From NF. Good morning, Amayati and Uncle Ben.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Pacho, me kasa from London.
Okay.
Pacho, me di say it's me kam kofa me yiri free Ghana na aba.
Okay.
Na recently ma lose my job.
Okay.
Na forms no ma fill form ka kasa ko born in San no Ghana 27th. That's Uncle Ben said, now my lose my job will say no. Can I still let her go and or Uncle born in San and I said or send me near my fraud to Swan Sana Wakobon in San.
Na application
Appointment.
Why dada bra na we dwuma.
Me patro I.
Edumre a or kobo ne nsa no na wabeka wo ho.
Patro I can appointment the 27th.
Okay, inti question obisa says say we lose we dwuma no mfa nkoka was a change of circumstance na ye maning train and still on go ahead. Patro sa nete. Yo Uncle Ben. But obetimi eyi no kakra me da.
Okay, sir, what the way area now come back. Sir, and then all your application we pay slips up to last month.
Sir.
Yeah, I had 30 days before the application. To win come a month before so your application. And open a pesa meka be behavior.
Okay. Enti papa so what you say there?
Okay.
One tia say application o dey sa document ni nyina akọ e ma ya hwe ansa ye ka se onkobo ne nsa no right?
The patro document in the Yan sending coy. Some say or send before so Kwakobon and San Yan sending.
Na Uncle
Ben. Date Ben away application.
The patro on the 15th
of month Ben.
This month.
As at the 15th of March. Now we are Juma.
Me patro
sorry, as at the 15th of February. Now we are Juma.
Me patro me lose my job like just yesterday.
O pesa o yere ba na pesa oba.
Me patro pesa oba.
Manon ko bonensa why na for documents no up to end of February na upload. Why?
Me patro me that's it.
Good luck.
Okay.
Yes, that's it. You went in a lawyers ha na no be say no. Or we say sometimes people say common sense, but you can clearly see say nya bibia na common sense sir. Yo or say me lawyer Deborah so ba be ya no kakra. Okay, call out na so ma we dey ma pick mama ya no quick ni entama so pa chokoso.
Oh, you damasi, where do me quick me pacho? Me fancy who were you men ye chatrat also. A trono, a woman who say, like, who say, be a semino and yanokre. Tintin she share a be a wako meeting back or the twas on a near my yes, who would bro nafi mobile the next one. Won't and who she be. Pacho say, finally, me who say, woman who say, asem na omo to so na enye nokra e den na obetimi aye ana say wo chro leti bi koma wo mo ana
sister so when your compensations damage control
yes what that way me ho anso so ye dey ato so enye
dem me pese wo ase odin egu eni mo ase
ango be information of character ntimi chose
ango be you are no hold on
well sir o adwuma na BBC na ekire omo ahu sir ade amosi no allegation nya no kra normal withdraw allegation normal apologize here once one more they to records you move on and everybody else is moving the sir obi emaline and I'll go anymore that's totally different so obi say what that way adwuma na ya hu say won na adwuma no up to what level now more yes allegation informally formally written oral caution and other And once obey sure as a caution or mama or you caution.
Patient is a video in Abem.
But your Ajumano, omo allegation, or disciplinary hearing.
Yeah, I think yeah, beko or they say yeah, kwa committee HR no na.
Oh, because also say omo and trono ye year free so.
Debbie.
Oh, nti afa na wa okokun wasam no.
Ye gusu na I said enya de amaye sa de no but beginning me say entisa and almost say almost to koso ama the whole adwuma ni nyina no is obi ehun wa na ye se ba asem ni ntisa.
Okay, well, ohima say asam no nya no kra. Kose. So asam no nya no kra or disciplinary hearing no. I bet you say asam no nya no kra. To be sure say omama opportunity. Watch your one asam and oma your interview. I don't know be decide say we be face disciplinary hearing and I won't face here. But say we could face HR there. And here the first step of potential disciplinary hearing. To who koka wasam say anya no kra say wada. Nipa ka say wada no. I the word against you.
When
they can't call hearing
by Makoba.
Anna then see.
Also, when hearing back.
Then see.
And feedback no muka so mo de beba no bibia ma na wo muka say ye wo de asem na mo bi foforo nti di nipa kro no nso no atwero me afi ono ane ma me hye da memra but ifiri ho mente wo mo nka bi.
Okay, na just omo disciplinary hearing no process na proceedings no to us, which means omo ye sure say wada and also ye sure say on na nti ni nyina be gina say na wo be defend wo ho ewo hearing no why yo to what witnesses are for our witnesses call why
Witness be any ho
nti den no mu gina wada no
almost see video na video no
omo de akira o
yeah minim no almost see we han kro means me han kro mo
why what friend with trade union
okay
what friend with trade union
Bajane
almost then
me no omuguso almost hearing no pe no mo beba.
Okay. Mr. Okope legal advice. Why? Because normally we made disclose evidence, no. And this one na normal so wada. Be krana be a bompire no wesi utrase. Because you nimse Ghana for the baby will be a bompire. Te be krana empire na wobo. Me nimse no can defense no ho. But say in kon na wo hwe me nimse be na tongues na wo cancel.
What's it? Now who text messages would the better say time no we text message and no bit me aka
time no almost wada no video no so no why the wesi utrase ana
bibia minimum po
na me ka say why video no
minim
we need video nim
in edika almost see a video after the or see a voice but video no so buy no nipa na na da honom na obi what noise we chiri
so
obi da ho enya wo
anya me
okay ohima per legal advice why wo pese obe hu yan obetimi abehu yan na ahwede obetimi ayama why okay yo bye bye
asem wo yo it's your friend say me mfa call a biom na me ma good morning Laya Deborah, good morning my dear. If you can give us the summary of the whole program, that would be beautiful.
Morning, Manye Ten. So the topic we treated today was the ABC of a valid will and why you must make a valid will. So a will is a testamentary disposition. So this is somebody's desire on a piece of paper as to what is to happen when they pass on. And the will takes effect after the death of the person. So what makes a will valid is that one, the person has to be 18 or above, with the exception of those in the army, so they can be below 18. They must be of sound mind. Two people must witness the person signing the will as well. The will must be in writing, so it can't be in audio or any type of other form but writing. And unfortunately, a beneficiary cannot be a witness to the will. And a testator has to appoint a minimum of 2 executors who will then distribute the assets or whatever in the will. If you die without having made a will, what is known as the interstate succession law will come into place. So the government then will have to take ownership of the person's assets and distribute it as they will. If you make a will and then you go to get married, the will be revoked. The only way the will won't be revoked is if you put it in contemplation in the will that you are to be married, then the will remain valid. And divorce revokes a specific gift in the will, so not the full will. So yes, that's my little summary of today's topic. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Deborah. Thank you. Uncle Ben, say, Yemre na be in so no we be questions there. Igusu dia nka ene ye nwie. Mo amoba so nyina nya menhra Margaret Edu Mensa yeda se Tileduma Ramanana Sewa Mami Sewa Koto you can saying cute Frimpong. I say good morning, Manye. God bless you. Another interesting program. Keep it up. Cruise, yadasi bebre. Nanka one question, but I'm saying no call. Obi nso send voice note. Na momfa mra ntam kakra mae na mo de ba last minute sana na eya hadwe. Uncle Ben patro ene de na do be jaya ansa na me de me last words nso abigu so.
Well, first of all, more carers now more on sponsorship. Since February, me sure say me name say any of the resource persons are cut down. Since February, no, which me ye juma care for care business for so what sponsorship on this sponsorship which me ye juma no for more than 20 hours.
Okay.
And also the other part and say April bow your name home office fee no cost inflation no and no you say call 10 point BB. When you're very careful, who application be I na April but usually April no I have fees no cost. Last year I said I'm cost be but inflation or into minim home office. So I'm better so the anchor you good. I mean who's so much so that and mo share no so say and no so possible. The other thing I'm person be also share on so no family applications you know or £500 more which me premium application I shall say decision I intend. Finally well Montreal well and yeah expensive. Obia antro na well once I would see I won kwan ade o japade a obetimi e de ahye wo mu nyame hwe nyina na chena the fancy lawyer Dr. Professor Charles Asman Olebeba is a fancy lawyer on the or your typical fancy lawyer obia we di teacher da your lecturer na she so chira de a utumi se mudoyi nti chena mo nyina mo welcome Dr. Professor Charles Asman, at 4 p.m. Oni Kweku Oreku Frimpong, our own master of the airwaves. Uma yenyina ade panchi yen edamase.
Yes, yeah, that's Uncle Ben. It's in for national for BWF Solicitors, all our favorite and loyal listeners in United viewers. Nyamishra mo bibia mobile so mo be share ye. Mrea son ye did me no be kwewi ye na so me sabo monkai Uncle Ben akadie. But the community and the law, so the community and the law. I just say we are here for the community. Na ye hu emra ekoso ewo ya brabo mo. Questions are meant to me answer na mesremo. I can only apologize. Nanya aduma enkoma community and the law na fancy lawyer no ewo honom enti no me say voice note be mi ensa na abasisi nyame aduma me bone nyina ochina enti no make a date with us na be kaye ho na ndumedi afi so ba so awonko amenche mfa de bia me kan na sharing me nti ase ye hi say ye share abra unti ahwe so just clicking pe na ekọ share our platforms be brave. So share our YouTube, so share our Facebook, so say nyawo na obe benefit ya. Trust me, obi wo na sa asem no that particular time that is what the person needs or betu anamo ho. Nti mon share na mon save obi nso life. Mediane Manyeti, Bigidi say, when you the programming, Yamin Shai, Yamin Kayaho. Have a beautiful weekend. Very soon, it's the one year rano, Muamujidi Ewohono, Monkoson Yenia Monye, na until then, your best share. Yamin Kayaho. Have a beautiful weekend. Bye bye.
This is our world. Here we are in our community. There are the laws, there are the regulations. We have BWF Solicitors. BWF Solicitors, experts in all aspects of the law, family law, civil litigation, all immigration and nationality issues, representation in court, marriage and divorce. We pride ourselves to give you excellent legal services and follow through till we get you the right result and decisions. That is our mutual satisfaction. We have a team of excellent qualified solicitors and support team to help you every step of the way. Our senior partner, with over 30 years of unbroken service to the community, is a member of the Family Law Panel and has advised several lawyers and institutions in many legal matters. He is qualified to practice both in the UK and in Ghana. Come to us. Speak to us. Let us represent you. We are your trusted community partners when it comes to the law. Locate us on the 4th floor of the Anna House, 214 to 218 High Road at Seven Sisters in North London, N15 4NP. Nearest train station, Victoria Line to Seven Sisters Station, exit number 2. We are open for all consultations from Monday to Friday, 9:30 a.m. to 6 p.m. Weekends by appointment only. Call us now on 0208 493 7340 or 077 127 61884. BWF Solicitors, your trusted legal partner.